come out literally perfect, like. Okay, so I'm actually starting off different today. I'm in my bedroom, as you can see, and we've got some parts coming through just in the title as our thumbnail. We've got the body kit's basically arrived for the car. It's gonna be sick. I've got 2 parts right now. Third one's coming soon. This is gonna be part of like a 3-part kind of thing for the exhaust because it's to do with it as well. So I'll link them down below when they're out. And yeah, these actually came yesterday. I was meant to fit these today or yesterday, something like that. But I went to a tracks meet, so I was over there doing that. And yeah, let's get into this. Okay, so let's just start off with some of this. So that is gloss black vinyl wrap we're going to use on this. We've got Mark 5 Golf side skirts. These actually, you can see it goes to the side. Yeah, you can see from here they're actually Mark 5 side skirts. They're going to sit like that on the car. Because the Mark 6 ones are kind of crap, so yeah. And no one's even done this before. It's like one of the first ones, so it's going to be rare again. And then we got this MAXTON design parcel. This is the diffuser. Let me get it out and I'll show you. Okay, so guys, this is the MAXTON design diffuser and it looks so sick. Look at that. So that's going to sit in the Golf like that roughly. So you can actually have like, I'm going to have both the center exhaust in there with the carbon tips sitting nice. It's going to look sick. So it's that. So in some parts it needs sanding down. There's a few like rough bits here and there. So I'm going to sand them down and then we're going to go and wrap this in gloss black as well, which you've got here as well. So yeah, yeah, that's how it's going to be sitting more or less. And I might even possibly change this badge. I have some grey ones you can get now as well. So I might even change to one of them. I'm not sure yet. Might be good, it might not be. And to be fair, wrapping it's going to be solid. Because like, look at these curves. I don't know how I'm going to do these. It's going to be solid. But yeah, let's go downstairs and get that wrapped. Okay, so here on the diffuser, you can see there's like some imperfections. Like, you know when you come off when it comes off the production line, then like little bits of the machines obviously didn't cut properly or melt, I don't know, whatever. But you can see there's some like pretty rough edges and rough like pieces. The wrap's not going to go over that, so I'm just going to go and sand these down. I've got like 800 grit sandpaper, nothing too coarse, nothing too light. I'm just going to do really light sanding just to make it all flush, so then when I actually put the wrap on it sits flush as well. Otherwise it's going to show through the wrap and possibly like even rip it, possibly that is. So yeah, there's a few spots, some on the left, some on the right, but let's go do this then. Get this flush, gonna give it a wash then after that to make sure there's no dust on there, and then I'm gonna go wrap it. Okay, so we're back inside. It's been washed and dried, so we just need to start wrapping it now. So you're gonna want someone with you if you're doing try this yourself as well. So yeah, me and my brother are gonna start wrapping it now. Hopefully it comes out good. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so the diffuser's done. Hasn't come out the best, I won't even lie. It's kind of come out a bit. Some places are good, some places are bad, but I'll show you guys once it's done. So this is, and you get to these side skirts, and these are actually painted in United Grey, I think it's called. Something like that. It's called like United Grey, something like that. But these are painted, so I don't want to get these painted. That I might have to get painted, depending. So I'll probably get them done later sometime. And these are going to try wrap. They should be easier because they're quite smooth. So yeah, let's see how these go. They should go good. Okay, so everything has been wrapped. You guys can see, even on these, don't put this down. Yeah, you guys can see on these are come out literally perfect, like proper my stuff here. So yeah, these actually looking really good. These are gonna go on next after exhaust part. I don't know. I need the brackets for it basically, and I put them on. So these are gonna go on soon. And they're both looking. These little scratches you're seeing, they're gonna be more gloss black lens, by the way. There's like a protective like film on them. That I need to take off. That's gonna look a bit misty from me touching it and like all the heat and whatever. So yeah, that is gonna be glossier than this. And then the other one's perfect as well. Both literally perfect. I've done a proper professional job on them. Like if you guys don't do wrapping, trust me, watch about a couple of videos on YouTube, a couple of good ones, and then just try it. Trust me, just do it on small pieces first. It's actually not that hard. And once you mess up this badly, how I've messed up on the diffuser, on this, then you can learn from your mistakes. Like, you guys need to see this. One second, let me show you guys this. This is just yeah, so this ain't good. Okay, so you guys can see here, like, these weird curves here, gone a bit messed up, more messed up here, more, yeah, the whole thing is, oh, it's not good. The bottom's good, I guess, to be fair. That came out decent, but like, anything else, yeah, it hasn't come out good, the sides. So yeah, I learned on this one. This is gonna come off, I'm gonna get it sprayed in black. But I'm probably gonna put it on beforehand, like put it on before, then get it sprayed after or something. I don't know, it's not hard to take off, so yeah. But yeah, I was gonna get it black first before putting the exhaust on, but I guess it's gonna go on without being black, and then exhaust happening in the next video. So yeah, it's gonna be mad. Yes, that is it then for today. Side skirts are done, diffuser is gonna get ripped off, all the wrappers. I'm gonna fit that probably in a bit. And yeah, I'm going to like, comment down below what you think of these now. Them on the grey carts out there. How do you think they're gonna look and stuff? And like, these are actually Mark 5 side skirts, not Mark 6. So I'm doing a bit of a different one. I haven't seen no one do it before, so it's gonna be like one of a kind. But yeah, and to like, comment down below and subscribe. Thanks for watching.